So, something I just thought about, when food touches the counter in my kitchen, I am okay to eat it. I feel safe. Now, when I'm at a restaurant or some people's houses, if that food touches the counter, gone, dead zone. You put bleach, Clorox, any type of the chemicals that could put shit just down, I'm good on it. I'm good. Any food, you know when you show up to a restaurant, they clean the table, they wipe it down, looks good. But then there's still puddles on it. There's still drops. And it's like, oh wait, but those puddles, those drops, that liquid is chemicals. And I'm about to eat here. Like, I'm about to put the food in my mouth. I'm about to touch the table with my hands, and it's chemicals. Gone, dead zone. The food hits my counter, safe, because we use natural cleaning products or water. Natural cleaning products like vinegar, water, essential oils, things that are safe, to consume or to put on our skin. I mean, if it's not safe to intake, why are we using it in the first place?